Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at a box opening of the PTZOptics 30X Gen 2 camera. I actually ordered this unit through a company in Miami called Office Wonderland. They're the only ones that had it in stock at the time. So there's a pretty high demand on the unit. Taking a look inside the box, the very first thing we come across is the user manual with some AAA batteries just right on top for the remote control. Next, we've got the standard Edison connector to our DC power converter. And here's our DC converter. And it's a universal, so it'll actually switch from 220 to 110. It's auto switching. Also included is a serial to RS-232 cable. And then a remote control for easy setup and camera control. And then finally we have the camera. So it's in its own little compartment wrapped in some plastic just to kind of protect it. We'll go ahead and pull it out of here and get a closer look. Okay, and now we've got the unit out of the box. We're going to go ahead and take the lens cap off. So the lens cap is just kind of a little piece of rubber, really kind of more designed to keep the dust off the lens and to protect it from any impact damage. Also, the head really isn't locked down in the powered off state, so it moves pretty freely. Turning around, we have all the inputs and outputs of the unit. As you can see, there's a Cat 5 jack, HDMI, and SDI for video outputs. There's a USB for maintenance. There's your power input, as well as the radial dial for your resolutions. Flipping the unit over, we've got some cheat sheets here that kind of show the resolution and frame rates for video as set by the radial dial on the unit. And then also there's the default IP address as well as the login and password for web access. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos about this camera. If you liked what I did, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks.